KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Wednesday, the 12th of December. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather warming up fairly nicely today, and rain returns tomorrow night and Friday. And how about a quake early this morning? Yeah, 3:14 a.m. Central Time, had a magnitude 4.4 quake over eastern Tennessee that was centered a little northwest of Athens, Tennessee. And this was felt well down into northeast Alabama and north Georgia and parts of the Carolinas. Many folks in northeast Alabama feeling that. That's the second largest quake on record for East Tennessee. Quite a way to start the day. There's the upper look this morning. Upper low is located near San Diego. And ahead of that, we've got rain that will break out over parts of Texas. Later today, tonight, and tomorrow. We're going to feel that tomorrow night into Friday. Cold this morning. Most spots are below freezing. 35 up in Haleyville and the Shoals. They've got some clouds up there. Temperatures have actually been rising a notch for the past few hours. Low 30s down to Mobile and Dothan. But again, we'll warm up nicely. We'll be in the 50s and some 60s down in South Alabama today. Around the nation, I'd say it's pretty seasonal. The coldest here is over eastern Canada, and that's not going to bother us. There's the watch warning map around the nation this morning. We have wind advisories for many of the states in the western U.S., and the east is fairly quiet. Maybe some thunder today and tonight west of the state. Tomorrow, got a marginal risk of severe storms for Louisiana and some of the adjacent states, and down into southwest Alabama and the Gulf Coast region, and this runs through 6 a.m. Friday, as unstable air could work into the coastal region from the Gulf, but for most of Alabama, no severe weather risk at all, just a lot of rain. And Friday, day 3, a marginal risk for parts of North Florida, Central Florida, and up the Atlantic coast. Precipitation for the next 7 days, valid through Wednesday morning of next week. A lot of rain for western Washington state. And the southeast is fairly wet. Rain amounts in Alabama around 1 inch for most spots. And again, a lot of this will be tomorrow night, Friday, and part of the day Saturday. So let's take you through the dailies. This is the 06C GFS at noon today. Shortwave well to the north, got troughing south of Phoenix. And for us, the day will be dry. We'll see some high clouds around. We'll call it partly sunny with a high in the 50s today. Tomorrow, a storm system organizes. Surface low near Dallas. Rain breaks out to the west. For Alabama, the day will be cloudy, but mostly dry with a high again in the 50s. Here comes the rain tomorrow night. Tomorrow night at midnight, surface low is near Shreveport. And there could be some unstable air for the Gulf Coast region. Maybe some thunderstorms on the immediate coast, but for most of the inland areas, just a lot of rain. Friday, the surface low coming through. We'll see periods of rain on Friday. Now, I don't think it rains all day. And we might see low 60s, depending on if we get some breaks in the rain. Saturday, the surface low begins to lift out. We'll maintain a chance of rain Saturday morning. Decent chance the afternoon could be dry. The sky will be cloudy. The high will be in the 50s. And Sunday should be a fairly nice day, partly to mostly sunny with a high in the upper 50s. Go to next week. Monday looks quiet. In fact, all of next week looks kind of quiet. Upper 50s. This is Tuesday, the same thing, 30s and 50s. And here's a week from today. This is Wednesday the 19th. A little shortwave ridge here, upper low near El Paso. And again, that looks dry. Maybe some rain in Texas Wednesday of next week. We'll go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, the 21st. Troughing over the northeast. And again, we're dry. All of next week at this point looks dry. And you know what we're going to do just for the fun of it. We'll go into the land of voodoo. We don't like to do this that often with deterministic data beyond 10 days, but it's Christmas. Come on. This is Tuesday, December 25th off the GFS. Understand this is 324 hours out, and this is going to change again and again, but at this point that looks just kind of cool and dry. These are the anomalies for Christmas Day, if by chance this works. Temperatures well above average in the west, a little below average for the east. But again, this will change. And I think this will change. These are temperatures for the next 15 days. This is showing very consistent data across the board with 50s and 30s on most days. But I would imagine we'll probably see some swings along the way that the models can't detect now. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.